how to crop square picture in shape in Canva. So in this video, I'll show you step by step how to crop square your picture in shape on Canva. After you open the Canva app like this, go to this element. After you go to element, so now go to this option. So from the element, now scroll to down and click on this frames. After you click on the frame, now click on this basic shapes, click on this seal. So from this option, now go and choose the cycle you want to use. I want to use this one and drag it. So after you put the cycle on your editing bar like this, so the next thing to do, now click on this upload button. So now go and upload the image you want to use. So I'll go on with this one. So after you upload the image you want to use like this, now here is my image. So the next thing to do, now drag the image on the cycle like this. So as you can see now I got my image has become a cycle. So now if you want to edit the size of the image, just double click on the cycle. After you double click, so now you can just adjust the size, you can reduce size, and you can just take it to where you want it to be. After you finish, just click on this option, and that's it guys. Hope this video helps. Like and subscribe. We'll meet in the next one.